everyone, welcome to Lit and Net. So today's topic is absurd literature. So you may all know what is meant by absurd. Absurd literally means being extremely foolish or silly. So what does absurd literature means? Absurd literature is nothing but works, especially drama and prose fiction, which conveys the meaning that human is essentially foolish or absurd. And this condition can be brought out only through the works of literature which are considered to be absurd by themselves. The earliest work in absurd literature is Alfred Jarry's French play Ubu Roy or Ubu the King in 1896. Absurd literature is against the earlier tradition which considered that human beings are rational creatures who are living in an intelligent universe and they are capable of heroism and dignity even during defeat. Absurd literature has its roots in expressionism and surrealism movements also. After 1940s, men like Jean-Paul Sartre and Albert Camus developed a view that human beings starts a voyage to find out the value or purpose of his life, but the search is unfulfilled. An example of this can be seen in Albert Camus' famous work In the Myth of Sisyphus in 1942. His lines are as follows. In a universe that is suddenly deprived of illusions and of light, man feels a stranger. His is an irremediable exile. This divorce between man and his life, the actor and his setting, truly constitutes the feeling of absurdity. Another examples of absurd literature are Eugene Ionesco's The Bald Soprano in 1949 or The Lesson in 1951. The most famous writer of absurd drama and absurd prose fiction is Samuel Beckett, who wrote his works in French and they were later translated into English. His plays like Waiting for Godot in 1954 and Endgame in 1958 projects the helplessness and absurdity of life in dramatic forms which rejects realistic settings and logical reasonings. In Waiting for Godot, Vladimir and Estragon waits for an unknown man named Godot who never appears. The play is filled with foolish situations, and the famous dialogue of this play is, "Nothing happens, nobody comes, nobody goes, it's awful." These absurd dramas are highly comical and irrational, and they mocks the traditional assumptions of Western culture, conventions, forms of traditional dramas, and even their existence in dramatic medium. The characteristic feature of Beckett's characters are they carry on even in a life without purpose, trying to make sense of the senseless and to communicate the uncommunicable. Another writers of absurd literature are Harold Pinter, Edward Albee, and French writer Jean Genet. Some writers use black comedy or black humor also, like Joseph Heller's Catch-22 in 1961. Stanley Kubrick's Dr. Strangelove is an example of black comedy in cinemas. Comedy or black humor is nothing but a comedy which presents serious things in a light manner. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.